Today I'm going to make another phone holder. So I have these little pearls that they came in like a little container with some diamonds and stuff from Michael's, and basically I threaded them together so that they'll be facing the right direction where you're not going to see the holes from the top, and that's what I'm doing. And then that way they'll stay where I want them to be. I just have like little beads on the end to, I'll cut those off after. All right, so it's the next day, and I'm going to go ahead and put these temporary tattoos on here. So I'm going to go about there, and I'm just going to press it down. And then I have my water, hot water, and I'm just going to tap the back of this. There you go. That's nice and smooth now. Now let's go around here. Get those corner off there. That could be a problem. This is important because that's where the base is going to go through. So I gotta get that cleaned out. Yeah, that fits. All right. Perfect. So now I just noticed I have to clean up down here. So here's the completed phone stand. I think it came out great, and I hope you do too. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.